Hey friend, you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Hey, we could talk here if you want, or you can just wait till later for TS.
No. This is gonna happen on the radio, yeah. So, I'm just glad because you guys did that, cause I know what's gonna happen. Just meet me on the radio.
Okay.
Later. When you give me my radio back, I can meet you.
Oh, hold on. I'm not sure how to give you your radio back, actually.
Nah, your choice.
Say again?
Your choice?
I don't know how to give you your radio back. It's not a choice. I don't know how. I'm sorry. Would you like me to call you a medic?
No.
All right, sir. Well, sorry about this. Hopefully you get back. Have a good one.
I'll not lose on this anyway, so.